Hello and welcome to Sunday Morning Builds, and this week we're going to be looking at another set from the from the Brickheads pet range. So previously we have had number 118 the German Shepherd, number 119 the puppy, then we've had also in the Dalmatian 131 and 132, also called the puppy, and the St. Bernard 152 and 153, also the puppy. This week we are doing the French Bulldog 154 and another puppy 155. This set comes with 237 pieces and is set number 40544. You can see on the back here where we've got the St. Bernard also pictured in the top right. And these two, I referred to this one previously as a pet bed, and it's not really. I think they're trying to illustrate probably more of a path on a street, and you can see that with the fire hydrant in this one, and also the greenery in the St. Bernard set. So I'm going to do this as a speed build, as I usually do with this size set. And then I'll come back and do the review. If you like this content, please like and subscribe. It would be fantastic if you could do that. I'm going to open this up, get it all set up, and then we'll get on with the build. Hope you can join me after the speed build. Welcome back, thanks for hanging around. And here we have set number 40544, French Bulldog, Brickheads number 154, and the puppy Brickheads number 155. I do like this set, and I think it's more to do with the setting here with the fire hydrant rather than the actual build. If you've seen any of my previous videos on Brickhead pets, you know I'm not the biggest fan, and that's because there's not a great variety to the build. As you can see with the other dogs here, they're all very, very similar in terms of their construction, and I think that's a bit of an issue, but they are very good to get your head around how Brickheads are built. It's quite a straightforward construction. They do look good, but there's not much variety between one to the other than the facial features and maybe some printed parts here and there. So not really too much to pick out for this one. I will pick out the fire hydrant of all things, and I haven't come across a piece like I'm going to show you here before, which is the round 2x2. And it has a connector hole like you find in Technic here on either side. That's probably the most, I haven't come across that before, so that's why I found that interesting. And that's probably the most interesting part of the entire build for me. If you haven't done Brickhead pets before or Brickheads before, then they are great to get started with. There's absolutely nothing wrong with them. I will continue to collect them because they are part of the Brickheads numbered range. So that's why I'll continue to purchase them and build them. But hopefully they can come out with a bit broader variety rather than just cats and dogs and whatever else is out at the moment. I think there's some fish and some budgie as well. And so, yeah, I don't get excited over the pets range, but they do come up good. And there we have it. That is my review. It's only a short review because there's really not much to it compared to the other reviews of similar builds. So please, if you like this content, like and subscribe. And until next week, I'll probably have something different other than pets to do. So hope you can join me. Bye for now.